In this video, my dad tried making Bolognese sauce in the TOKIT to go with our fresh pasta. He first prepared the ingredients by chopping carrots, celery and onion and peeling some garlic. To make it even easier, he used the TOKIT's chopping function. He started by adding 3 small onions, which was about 210 grams, 4 peeled garlic cloves, which was about 20 grams, and then he ran the chopping function, which was a blade speed of 9 for 6 seconds.
Start cooking.
Once that was done, he scraped it all down and added 25 grams of olive oil.
Weighing reset.
Then went in 25 grams of butter. It automatically simmered the ingredients for 10 minutes at a blade speed of 1. Here's a peek into the machine while it was simmering. It smelled really good throughout our kitchen. Once that was done, we reset the scale and the recipe said to add 200 grams of chopped celery, though we only added 190. The recipe asked for 200 grams of chopped carrots, though we only had 2, which amounted to about 180 grams. It was cooking for 10 minutes at 100 degrees Celsius with a blade speed of 1. The next step was to add 300 grams of minced pork and beef, but the supermarket only sold them in packs of 500, so we just went with 500 grams. The mixture cooked for 10 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius with a blade speed of 2. Meanwhile, he was going to make some fresh pasta. He started with 2 eggs and some water. He used our Philips pasta maker and filled it with 2 cups of flour. Then he just slowly poured the egg mixture in. The machine extruded the pasta almost straight away. We made 8 bunches of pasta, which was enough for our family of 4. Now that the TOKIT was finished cooking, we added in a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ground pepper, and 50 grams of white wine. This was followed by 5 minutes of cooking at 100 degrees Celsius with a speed of 2.
Start cooking.
We scraped the meat back down to the bottom once it was finished, and then the recipe called for 300 grams of canned tomato and 200 grams of beef stock. Because there was only a bit of tomato left in the can once we were done, we just threw it all in. It cooked for a final 20 minutes at 120 degrees Celsius with a speed of 1. I don't recommend opening it like my dad, as it'll spray all over the kitchen. Now the sauce had a really nice consistency and it was ready to serve. Now that the sauce was done, he started by boiling a pot of water on this new induction cooker he got from TOKIT. He set it to 99 and it didn't take long at all to boil. He gathered all the pasta together so it was ready to cook. He added a splash of salt into the boiling water and added the pasta to the pot. He set the built-in timer to 4 minutes and stirred the pot. Once it was complete, the unit automatically stopped. For each serve of pasta, he added 2 huge scoops of the sauce. He added a drizzle of olive oil, some Parmesan cheese, and some fresh diced basil. He gave it a taste and the sauce was juicy and flavorful. You can see how much we enjoyed it, as there was nothing left on our plates once we were done. On the machine you can see that some burn marks were left and there was a lot of pasta sauce residue. We added a liter of water, a splash of dish soap, and then ran the general pre-cleaning function.
Start cooking.
Majority of it was clean, though we still had to use a little bit of elbow grease to remove the burn marks.